Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add money to your Revolut account, and it's pretty simple to do. All you have to do is have a card or some other options I will show you in a bit. So first of all, when you go to your account, Revolut account, you're just gonna see here add money option, and also you can click right here on this arrow and change the currency. So for example, I'm using euros, so you just basically click add money here. After that, also I want to show you that how to do this. You can make an easy bank transfer, you can get paid into Revolut straightly, basically get the salary there. A bank transfer, of course, is a quick and secure way. Now you can also add cards, so I'm using card always. And also you can do a regular bank transfer, set up Apple Pay, and also you can discover some credit. Now when you will click on add money, you will see this option. You can write down how much you want to add. The minimum amount is 10 euros for me, to not have fees, of course. And it's a minimum amount, so you will see here your card if you are using card, if you want to transfer money from there. Then you just basically click on write down how much and click on add money securely, and then you will be redirected somewhere. It depends on your bank, but then you will add your money like that. And as you can see, I have added 10 euros, and that's it. That's a really quick procedure. So if this video was helpful, if you have questions, leave a comment down below, leave a like on this video, and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you next time. Bye.